See the progression of this fucking beautiful space.
Evolution, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Been a little while since you know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm just cruising, if I just removed all the things I mean, I'm moving my purpose. I cannot lose. I knew that was certain, but patience, I'm telling you, worth it. Make no mistake. Destined to earn this. What I deserve is worthless without the work and the learning. Lesson from life, I'm showing you why I do it. I don't know if I'm just cruising. I'm making the moves that I'm doing. Regardless, I'm choosing to make the decision for reasons I know that I'm proven. I know that you know this, and I am not new to this. No, put in that time and the effort. Regardless of life and the sessions and separate equations, making assessments, answers they come and I call them confessions. Don't for the reverend. When I've written the scripture, when I've given this picture, living visions with pure precisions, the perfect sauce, the mixture. Never get lost in them issues. Only get tired from them, never be stopping them. So I'm bracing, I'm popping, I'm growing through it, got me feeling unstoppable. Whoa. No fear in my soul. No fear in my soul. No fear in my soul.
Opening up my spirit to the universal love. Knowing nobody under me and nobody above. I'm learning from my past and I'm planning for my future by living in the moment. Yeah, that's how I do it. I'm loving all around me. I'm loving who I am. Cause I don't have a choice. I had to let him in. That's the beauty of it. 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 That's the beauty of it.
No fear in my soul. No fear in my soul. No fear in my soul. Make some noise, Symmetry. Come on, let's hear.